doesn't help to have very bright ideas realized by very lousy software quality, because then the users will not use it. We need high quality software. You need to consult SA4 to do that.
SA4 activity is mainly devoted to govern the developers which are spread among all the Europe in NRS with the appropriate knowledge in the software engineering. That means that we provide them with the audit of their software, we provide the infrastructure for testing the software, as well as workshops to make sure that they have the common base in this knowledge.
Although the GN3 software has been rigorously developed, there is a need for independent evaluation which examines the implemented software solutions, as well as software quality. The main purpose of in-depth audits is to minimize and prevent the risk of errors, vulnerabilities, and spikes in performance that may arise while operating the software in NREN operational networks.
The Autobahn audit was a valuable external evaluation of Autobahn, which provided us with a set of very detailed technical recommendations by experts, which we are currently implementing in the software.
Apart from in-depth audits, SA4 is also active in the area of software security audits. Through the involvement of QA personnel, SA4 participated in the security audit led by the SA2 Task 4 team. The Summer School for Developers is an initiative to share software engineering knowledge and hands-on exercises among GN3 developers. By its nature, the SDS event is a combination of workshops, lectures, and coding exercises, organised in small teams.
I learned many concepts such as test-driven development, code coverage, and pair programming. And the coding exercise at the end of it definitely helps put all these techniques into practice. I had a lot of fun interacting with other participants in the event as well.
SA4 delivers a set of services to support software development. Recently, it also introduced test beds for GN3 developers, an infrastructure for demo or testing purposes of GN3 software products. Due to its architecture based on virtual environments, this infrastructure is easily extended if such a need arises.
We use the virtualized environment to create various testing sandboxes where we can test our software at different development phases. For example, we can make integration tests in a sandbox and then we can publish a demo instance to the community. This is a real improvement in our development process.
The monitoring of software licenses of GN3 software products and third-party dependencies has become part of the software deployment and release process to ensure compliance with GN3 IPR policy. SA4 meets such demands by providing the Artifactory software tool for license management and license checks. The Artifactory tool can also be a part of ongoing software integration processes and can play a role as artifact repository. The service, available for developers through a web interface, forms a part of the SA4 Task 3 software development infrastructure.
As far as future is concerned, we want to bring developers together to build a community around the software products developed in GÉANT and NRENs. We want them to add the value to the software services they develop currently and to provide extra services in their networks as far as pan-European GÉANT network.
Without the quality of software, we will not provide the services that the users need, and ultimately the GÉANT products will not be successful. That's why it's so important that the software development follows appropriate software governance, and that's where SA4 come in.